Things are really happening in the garden. Here are some tips for success. If you have a small kikuyu or couch lawn, or just a few lawn weeds, then a ready-to-use weed-killing spot spray is ideal. It will control common broadleaf weeds like bindii, clover, dandelions and wireweed. Shake the bottle well before using and spot spray the weed foliage until just wet. Mulch provides a protective layer over the soil, helping to reduce soil moisture loss, reduce weeds and also help to moderate soil temperature. Yates Dynamic Lifter 4-in-1 mulch also contains the added goodness of chicken manure, plus a wetting agent, plus microbes. You can use it in your garden beds and also on pots. Do you have an acidic soil? Soil that's too acidic, has a low pH, makes it hard for many plants to access the nutrients they need. You can increase the soil pH and keep your plants happy by applying lime and dolomite granules. Simply mix the granules into the soil around the root zone and water in well. For more gardening advice, chat to our experts. Happy gardening!